I just wanted to I have a slide to talk about the relative strengths of all the intermolecular forces I talked about. They're all very strong, and that's the point, is that when they get together, they're very energetically stabilized and their charges are all very happy. So there's this really strong attraction forces between covalently bonded molecules or things with dipoles. So basically, the first type that we talked about was ion dipole. That is super strong. That's just because the ion has such a great charge to it, and dipoles, obviously, especially a strong dipole, has a very big difference between it. And some dipole, so that makes sense that it's the strongest. And then comes hydrogen bonding, and that's because the dipole between those covalently bonded atoms is super high. It's almost ionic, like it's super um, big change dipole moments that when the big positive and negative charges get together, it's really strong. And then there's a dipole in general, which is once again the same reasons why it's really strong. And then London dispersion is the weakest, and that's just because they're inducing all the charge that it has. There was never any charge existing on the molecule to begin with, so it makes sense that it is generally the weakest. Um, there's a good chart that actually the chart on the bottom right shows actual kilojoules per mole that exists between them, so like that energy. And you can see that ion dipole can get up to being covalent metallically bonded strength, which is pretty cool. These forces are pretty strong. Awesome.